Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to do a soft glam natural look. I've already done my brows and I'll tag the video for that up above. First things first, you want to make sure that you have cleaned and moisturized your face, and I mean moisturized because today we are going to be using powder foundation. And if the foundation of your skin is not right, then the actual makeup foundation will not be right. I'm going to use the MAC Pro Concealer to hide all of my blemishes and my dark marks on my face. And I'm going to use a small concealer brush with a round tip. I'm currently working on clearing these dark marks. Right now I'm using The Ordinary, but if you know any other good products that help get these things off of my face, go ahead and comment below. I'm not going to go too heavy with the concealer. I'm just going to keep it really soft because I want this to be almost like a no makeup look. Now I'm going to go in and do the concealer under my eyes. I'm going in with the same method I learned from TikTok from the creator named CHESTNUT. I think that's how you say it, but I really like watching his videos. Now I'm not going to do it completely like him because I'm still going to try to keep like a very soft natural look, and then I'll go ahead and blend it out. If you have dark circles or really dark under eyes, you want to go in and correct according to the undertone of the dark circles under your eyes. Make sure you do that first. It'll really change the look. But if you go in just straight with the concealer, those dark circles may still peek through. Next, I'm going in with my Rare Beauty liquid blush. This is in the color Love, and I'm going to use my finger and just press it into the skin in the areas that I liked my blush to be applied. I usually take it all the way up the side of my face, and because you're doing the underpaint method, you're going to put on a little more than you normally would because you're going to put your foundation on top of this. So I will only apply about 2 coats until it looks like something I wouldn't naturally wear. And as you're applying it, press it into the skin. Once my blush is done, I'm going to go in with my liquid highlighter, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this color is Bronze. Go ahead and apply it right above your blush, and I like to apply it in the area that I know the sun hits, so it's like the highest point of your face, the point of your face that sticks out the most. And I'm going to press that in and bring it up, and again put more than you would normally put. Depending on how much you put on, you could just leave the house just like this, you know, because it looks good when you have these products on in a liquid state. But I'm going to go in and just add some to my nose and the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. So some people like to put it on their foreheads or in their eyebrows or right above the corner of their eyebrow. You can do that too if that's what you like, but I'm only going to put it on the bridge and on the tip of my nose today. Before I apply my powder foundation, I'm going to go in with the Fix Plus spray and just spray my face down and let this dry. If you have like a hand fan, that will come in handy because you can sit there and let it dry instead of waiting so long if you have somewhere to go right away. Now it's foundation time. This is Fenty Beauty new powder foundation, and I am using the shade 420. I like to use my blender, sponge, and also a brush to apply this foundation. So first I will use the sponge, and then afterwards I will go in with the brush all over. I'm avoiding the areas that I applied the blush and the highlighter. I'm going to use the brush to apply the foundation in those areas. If you notice, I'm not just placing the foundation on my face, I'm pressing the foundation into the skin. This will help the foundation last longer. And in the areas where I smile, I like to stick my tongue out and press the foundation in to help reduce the wrinkles in that area. So this is why you want to put on a lot of the blush and the highlighter, so that when you go back with the foundation, it doesn't completely disappear. I did not put a lot of blush or highlighter. I put enough that will still peek through because, like I said, I want a natural, no makeup look. This is a form of underpainting. Usually you can go in with your highlighter concealer and your contour concealer or cream, whatever you use, and do all of that before you apply your foundation, so that when you do apply your foundation, it looks really good. It makes your makeup look like it's really your skin. If you go light, or you could do the full coverage look. It's a lot of makeup, but that's okay. This is one of my favorite techniques. Ever since I learned it, I always do it with everything. Gonna go in and just do one last spray of Fix Plus and let it dry. So this is it, my soft glam, smooth, natural, no makeup look. It's very nice. You can wear this every day. It's very fast because we're using powder, and to make it even faster, you can just skip the underpainting and just use powder, blush, and powder highlighter, and that will speed up the process. Alright, so I'm using these Sephora lashes, and then I'm going to go in with this lip gloss that I bought. It's supposed to be like a shine lip gloss by Wet n Wild. This is in the color Cedar Later, and this is a high shine lipstick. And I was shocked because when I bought it, I got it from Target, I thought I grabbed a matte lipstick. That's what I was going for in this color. But when I put it on my lips, I saw shine, and so I was very confused. I bought it so long ago that I didn't even think to look at it again. But it turns out to be a very pretty color, and I like it. So I decided to warm up my eyes a bit, and I went in with my bronzer by Morphe, and I forgot the color of it, so I'll put it in the description box below and place that on my eyes as a nice warm color. But that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.